Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy that you are here. I am glad that you want to learn English with me. Today the episode is about a city I love. This lesson will help you speak about a city. You will learn simple words. You will hear a long example. You will practice speaking. You will repeat sentences. You will feel more confident. First, I will tell you what we will do. We will learn some words. We will make short sentences. We will listen to an example. We will practice by repeating. We will practice one long monologue. You can listen and repeat. You can pause the video and practice out loud. You can speak slowly. You can speak again and again. Here are some basic words we will use. City, a place where many people live. Town, a small city. Street, a road with houses or shops. Park, a green place with trees and grass. River, a long flow of water. Museum, a place to see old and special things. Market, a place to buy food and items. Food, what we eat. Cafe, a small place to drink coffee and eat simple food. Bridge, a way to cross water. Train, a vehicle on rails. Bus, a vehicle that goes on the road. Square, an open public space in a city. Neighbor, a person who lives near you. Friendly, kind and nice to others. Busy, full of people and action. Quiet, calm and not noisy. Now I will give short sentences with these words. You can say them after me. Repeat each sentence one time with me. I will speak slowly. Then you repeat. I love my city. The city is busy and alive. The streets are full of people. I walk in the park in the morning. I drink coffee in a small cafe. I ride the train to work. I take the bus to the market. The museum is near the river. The bridge is beautiful in the evening. The square has music on the weekend. My neighbor is friendly. The food is tasty. The weather is warm in the summer. The weather can be cold in the winter. The city has many lights at night. I feel happy in this city. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen to the monologue. Then repeat parts of it. This is an example you can use with a new friend. You can change the name of the city. You can change the things you like. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live in a city that I love. The city is big and full of life. I like the food in the city. I like the parks and the museums. I like the coffee shops. My favorite place is a small market near a river. I go there to buy fresh fruit. I walk on the bridge in the evening. I watch the lights on the water. I feel calm when I walk there. I meet friends in a cafe on Sunday. We drink coffee and we talk about movies. We talk about food and music. I work near a train station. I take the train every day. The train is often crowded. I read a book on the train. I listen to music sometimes. I like to see different people on the train. I like to see many languages and many faces. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Ben. Repeat the sentence with me. Hello. My name is Ben. You can pause the video and repeat the sentence if you want. Say the sentence slowly. Say the sentence again and again. Practice the sound of each word. Feel the rhythm of the words. Now listen again to the monologue. I will say more details. I will speak slowly. You can pause the video and repeat each sentence if you want. I moved to this city 5 years ago. I came here for work. I found a small apartment near a park. The apartment has a window with a view of the trees. I wake up and I drink tea. I walk my dog in the park. The dog likes to run on the grass. Sometimes we meet neighbors in the park. The neighbors are kind. They say hello. The city has many shops. There is a bookshop on my street. I buy books and I read in the cafe. Reading in the cafe is my slow moment. I like slow moments in a busy city. Repeat after me. I moved to this city 5 years ago. Repeat slowly. I moved to this city 5 years ago. Pause the video and say it 3 times. This helps your memory. Now I will talk about food. Food is a great part of a city. My city has food from many places. There is pizza and sushi and tacos. There are fresh vegetables and sweet desserts. I have a favorite restaurant. The food there is simple and fresh. The chef uses local vegetables. The chef cooks with care. The meal is warm and it tastes good. I go to this restaurant when I want a calm night. I like to eat with a friend. We share food and we laugh. Food brings people together. Repeat after me, I have a favorite restaurant. Repeat the sentence with me, I have a favorite restaurant. You can pause and say it again. Try to say it with feeling. Try to smile when you say the words. Now I will describe the places to visit in the city. The museum is a place I often go. The museum shows old art and history. I learn about the city at the museum. The park is large and green. Families come to the park on the weekend. Children play on the grass. People have picnics and play music. The market is full of colors. Vendors sell fruit and flowers. You can smell spices in the market. The river runs through the city. The river is calm at dawn. Boats move slowly on the water. Bridges connect one side to the other. The bridges are good spots to take photos. The city feels alive at night. The lights on the street and the lights on the water create a warm feeling. Repeat after me. The museum shows old art and history. Repeat with me. The museum shows old art and history. Now say the sentence 2 more times on your own. Pause the video and do it now. Now we will practice a short conversation that you can use when you meet someone new. I will say the lines. You can be the listener. You can repeat the second line after me. This is a simple practice. Hello. My name is Ben. What is your name? I am Maria. Nice to meet you, Maria. Where are you from, Maria? I am from a small town. How long have you lived in the city? I have lived here for 3 years. What do you like about the city? I like the parks and the food. Do you have a favorite place? Yes, I love the river and the bridge. Now I will say the same conversation slowly. You can pause the video and repeat each line. Hello. My name is Ben. What is your name? I am Maria. Nice to meet you, Maria. Where are you from, Maria? I am from a small town. How long have you lived in the city? I have lived here for 3 years. What do you like about the city? I like the parks and the food. Do you have a favorite place? Yes, I love the river and the bridge. You can change the names and the details. You can say your city name. You can say your favorite place. Practice this conversation with a friend. Practice it with a teacher. Practice it in front of a mirror. Now I will give more simple sentences to build confidence. You can use them when you talk about a city. I will say each sentence twice. Repeat after me. The city is historic and modern. The streets are safe. I walk at night and I feel secure. The bus is cheap and the train is fast. I can call a taxi if I need one. The city has good hospitals. The schools are near my home. The people are helpful. The language is easy to learn with practice. I meet people from many countries. I listen to different music in the streets. I see art on the walls and music in the squares. I join small events on the weekend. I feel part of a community. I feel at home in the city. Repeat after me, I feel at home in the city. Say it with me, I feel at home in the city. Pause and say it again. Now I will give you small tips on how to speak about a city in a clear and natural way. Tip 1. Use short sentences. Short sentences are easy to say and easy to understand. Tip 2. Use simple words. Say park instead of botanical garden if you are not sure. Tip 3. Use present tense to talk about what you do now. Say I live in the city. Tip 4. Use past tense to tell a story about moving. Say I moved here last year. Tip 5. Use words about feeling to make your talk warm. Say I am happy when I walk in the park. Tip 6. Ask simple questions to make a conversation. Ask what is your favorite place here? Ask how long have you lived here? Repeat these tips out loud. Tip 1. Use short sentences. Tip 2. Use simple words. Tip 3. Use present tense to talk about now. Tip 4. Use past tense to talk about the past. Tip 5. Use feeling words to make your talk warm. Tip 6. Ask simple questions to start a conversation. You are doing great. Keep practicing. You can rewind this video and listen again. You can pause the video and repeat each sentence. You can write your own monologue and read it out loud. You can record yourself and listen to your voice. Practice will make your speech better and smoother. Now I will give a longer example. This is a longer monologue about one city. You can listen to it and then make your own. I will speak slowly and clearly. Hello. My name is Ben. I live in a city that I love very much. The city is near a big river. People ride bikes along the river path. There are cafes and small shops near the water. The air smells of coffee and fresh bread in the morning. I walk to the market and I buy fruit and cheese. I see families and elders at the market. The market is colorful and lively. I visit the museum to learn about the city history. I read about the old buildings and the people who built them. On the weekend I meet friends in a small square. The square has music and people dancing sometimes. We sit on a bench and we share food. I enjoy the simple life in this city. The city has both old and new parts. The old parts have narrow streets and stone houses. The new parts have tall buildings and bright windows. I like to see the mix of old and new. It tells a story about the city past and future. The city is safe and friendly. I feel a part of it. I hope you will visit one day and see it for yourself. Repeat after me. The city is near a big river. Repeat slowly. The city is near a big river. Pause and say it 3 times. You can now make your own monologue. Use simple sentences. Start with your name and your city. Say a few things you like. Say a place you visit often. Say one memory about the city. Keep it short at first. Then make it longer as you feel more confident. Here is a small plan to make your own monologue. Step 1. Say your name. Step 2. Say where you live. Step 3. Say one thing you like. Step 4. Describe one place. Step 5. Say one memory. Step 6. End with a feeling. For example, you can end with I feel happy or I feel calm. You can pause the video and make your own monologue now. I will wait. Pause the video and speak out loud. Use simple words. Speak slowly. Smile and speak clearly. Say your monologue 2 times. The first time speak slowly. The second time speak with more feeling. You are doing a wonderful job. Learning a language is a step-by-step process. Keep your practice short and regular. Practice 5 to 10 minutes each day. Speak out loud. Read a small paragraph. Listen to a short audio and repeat it. Join a language group if you can. Talk to friends and neighbors. Use English in daily life for small tasks. Order food in English once a week. Ask simple questions in English when you meet someone new. Each small step is progress. Now we will finish with a short review. I will say key sentences from today. Repeat each one after me. I love my city. The park is my calm place. I meet friends in a cafe. I ride the train to work. The market is full of colors. The river is beautiful at dawn. I feel at home here. I moved here 5 years ago. I like the food and the music. I hope you visit one day. Repeat these sentences one more time on your own. Pause the video and say them slowly. Practice each sentence 3 times. That is all for the lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.